Okay, so this is the assignment which I have to do. So, dear team members, I hope you're doing great. Assignment 2 part has this much value, and okay, this 5% for the video presentation which I'm doing right now. In the beginning, the program just for this one. Let's code it. So first of all, we have to import libraries. Import random and import string or string. I don't know if I'm doing wrong. I don't need it right now, so let's leave it. And then run it. Show it is working or connecting. It's connected now. Okay. Just I must take off the box. Now connect your take. Okay, so from Google dot color mount equals then the link of that content drive. This will help us to link the so I forgot this too. Okay, so now let's copy the link from here. Do this, copy it, go back, paste it, enter. Now I should mount it, and we can see it over here. Okay, so you can see drive, and then you can see my drive, and it's linked. So it works. It's working. So now we have to do this question. Now we need to open a file that we have to save the score on it and cast code.cxc. Please see. Let's call file. I don't know why I'm using this like this, but this content. Let's just copying the path. Please check if score.txt contains anything or not. Let's check. But let's see if it runs. It is running fine, so that's not showing any problem. So let's read the question. If it does not contain anything, please check if the score does. If it doesn't contain anything more, I should show the following message. Welcome to the on before there's any score certified before the that should show this that the score exists. Make sure that you check all the possible score error assumption handling. So we have to check again. So for that I have to do the try function first. For try here, and then open the file with open. Just because I like put it the name over there so that I don't have to write every time I'm doing this. Put the link as file. Now let's see put the if function. So if function here will be file A is open, then try contacting print. I'm happy to see you again. First we will check this. I'm happy to meet you again. Last score was then plus file dot read line, then it's done. Else welcome print else. There's nothing inside it, so then welcome to your math game. Now just we have to check the exception thing. So accept file exist error. No, first we have to do file not found error. File not found error. Then this and then this. Why hide this? Print. Now we can copy this because it's gonna show this if there's no file. So this, and then why I keep pressing enter. Was error now. Let's see. File found error. Exception. And unaccepted error occurred. I'll try it again. Why is it show this? Should be like this way. Let me check it again. Okay, so it is working now. So now we have to define a global max flow. So just do this. Global. For define a function called math that has the following body. You need to call math score here. Blah blah blah. You need to call math, so you need to modify it if the function defined. I'm going to call it here. So define math test function. So we will define that global max score. Define global is equal to rand integer, putting the range and world as loom the B variable also. Random teacher 1 out of 10. Now define a mechanism that generates a random operator. So we have to define a mechanism that generates a random operator. So put like OP as operators, or like just call it operators, and put it in the list plus minus into and divide. So now using this mechanism is equal to random dot choice operator that will fire like choose randomly. So now to use this imaginary just calculate. Now we have to calculate. So if now we have to use if function, otherwise it's not gonna work. Mechanism is equal to plus then C is equal to A plus B. Now copy this, so I don't have to type it again and again. So change this minus this, change this to this to this, and make it look more like realistic. Now what we need, calculating the value done. Now we need to ask the user for the following: what is the result of this of user time. User input is equal to float input, then what will be the result of some dot format A comma mechanism B. Now checking, I guess, done. If the user is enter 15 information, will be a commercial report and add the score of the user into this, and then okay. If user input is equal to C, then max score is equal to +1, and then print the message congratulations, you are pro, otherwise else max score equal to minus equal to 1, and print better luck next time. Maybe get the correct answer is this, and let's try another question. can see over there. So this is the function, and I think this will be enough to see if it works. Run this first, and this first, and then run this. Let's see if it works or not. Calling the function. Okay, 5 into 5, 1, 5. Congratulations, yeah, the code works. Now let's do this. Now define infinite loop and using true conditions of to define infinite and call my method as the first statement inside the loop, then every time ask the user if they want to. So if the loops they want to continue or anything, they press this, then continue, otherwise any other character will just throw out of this door. So the game should continue as long as the user press this one. After the user enter this one, she should be following this with the thank you again. Now if the chief is this one, okay, so let's try first put function is equal to true. I don't know why I'm doing this. I can just basically write it directly, but I don't want to make it more complicated. Function, but you can basically write true here if you want to, instead of just putting first defining this variable to true. It works both ways, but I don't want to do it like this. I want to do it like this. I'll waste more memory because I have a lot. User input. So we'll just say user input. Here, do you want to continue this whole thing? I don't want to type it. And then if now to use the loop to check if user doing fine things by or it may be like, look, it should be capital or maybe small. So first we did for the small, now for the capital. Caps lock big. Continue, make it continue so that it should run again. Otherwise, else print this message here. Thank you for playing. This is a dot format max score, and then print wow. And then break because you don't want to play it anymore. So this should work too. 10, 10, 20. I will play again. 9 to 11. I don't want to play again, so I will press W. Thank you for the playing record 3. Look, plus it's also done here. So before there was a score, so I guess there was 1 before, so now adding 1 and 1 it becomes 3. So this function works fine. Now we have to okay, so we've done everything. Then like save the achieved score in this code or save, so you have to write it. So for that, just open the file again with open. Like you don't have to because we use it up to yeah, we can call it that, and then this W to read it as file dot now write str x score. Hope it works. So part B is about solving quadratic equations. So this is the quadratic formula. Find a coordination like ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic formula. Discriminant. To solve this, we can have discriminant, and there should be two real solutions. When it is 0, we get one real solution. If it is negative, we get a pair of complex solutions. Okay. So math games, and now you are received the quadratic equation. So what is this? Why? We have to code more. Okay, let's do it. We see quadratic equation concept. Print this. You are wondering why I'm typing this. If I can just copy it to increase my typing skills, just for the sake of that. And the quadratic equation is ax 2 plus b x 0. Then asks you to enter a and b respectively. A is equal to teacher, should be teacher, so user no input you enter the value of a, of b, enter the value c is equal to enter. Yes, this put 2 in here, put 2 in here, put 1 in here. Now please show the coordination before start following the coordination is so. So first there will be a, b, c. Define a function called discriminant. And then just calculating the disk environment. Disk is equal to b. What is the formula? B square minus 4ac. So b into b minus 4 a c down disk. Done that. Use the wrong function of following body. We got two real solutions, so please print we got two real solutions which are examples. So now we have to use that first one. So this it works. So this also works, and then this also not work. And why so? Guess one should work. We copy this. Let's do it. D to check works or not. What will we check it later? Let's do this. Please print we got two real solutions which are x1, x2. So you can calculate the value of x1 and x2. Okay, so if discriminant is 0, then do this. So they have two loops, if loops, three loops. So if the value of 2 is real solution, so this is positive. So let's do it for the positive first. Positive value of d is greater than 0. Equal to minus b. This is the formula for. Okay, I have to just import from math import sqrt so that I can square root this, because it works like this, and to multiply a fucks it working. That's the best part, it is working. Now for the second term, minus b sqrt to a. Now we have to just print this. Okay. Go to real solution. Which are now if d is equal to 0, then what will be d is equal to 0? If d is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b. Then there's no need of putting square rt because it is already 0. So do this, and then this, do got one real solution which is this. Great. I don't think so. Just do it like this. D is less than 0, then we don't have to print and do anything, just print statement. The discriminant is negative with a pair of complex solutions. Done. This is it. Now it works. So because discriminant is -4, the discriminant is negative, we got a solution. Because it is -4, we just checked it over here. So it works. Finally save the above two messages into file called again. So we have to open the file again. And I will show you how it is saving. Now in this case we don't have the do like this. First of all, just always doing this because it's not gonna work. I miss all the time. Then drive, and then my drive, then color, quad, equation.txt, and then W to write file. W used to write file as file. I'm gonna call it right this file dot write your quadratic equation. Is x plus x plus this is equal to this, and it will write dot format B, C. It's basically exactly the thing what we have done above. So now file dot write and print the other thing in it. We got two real solutions. Char. If there is any other two suggestions, this term is not, you know what I mean. If there is really two, x, z. It's gonna do it. I don't know why. Because of this, let's call it y. and y. So just use it again. It will keep throwing error because it is minus. Let's change the discriminant so it will not be minus. b 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 becomes. Change the value p 1. Change the value p 3. Rerun this. Rerun this. Rerun this. Why is it still minus 11? How is it impossible? Oh, okay, so it's 4ac. I get it. Right. So replace 3, make it 1. Make it 3. Now show again. Show me this again. Now I have rerun it. Okay, so what is wrong with this? Value error. Okay. Because of this. What? Okay, so now I have to show you. Look. Put both of the answers here. Let's make this. Let's open it again. Here it is. Now it's fine enough. Done. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. So I have to just put the YouTube link and submit the file. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.